The examination will now begin. Hello, friend. Thanks for applying for this position at the Authenticity Assessment Department. All of us here at are very happy to have you. If you get the job, that is. Today, we'll be testing your instincts to see if you're qualified to perform authenticity assessments on your own in a real-life scenario. But before that, some quick questions are required to get some more insight about who we would be hiring. Please take a seat and await further instructions. In a moment, we will provide you with several images of people and you must determine whether or not these people are authentic and to be trusted, or threats you should stay away from. Please be careful with your selections. Our decision on whether to hire you will depend heavily on your results. Excellent. You have now completed the authenticity assessment examination. Congratulations. If you are accepted into you will receive a letter on
Juice gas station, what can I help you with? Oh, hey man. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm just like, I got the late night shift, so I'm just passing the time, yeah. I think I'm gonna early though. Grab a couple of six in storage, maybe light a joint. Oh, no, he'll get pissed off about it, alright. But like, what's he gonna do, fire me? I already put in my 2 weeks notice. Yeah. You know, I told you about last week. Yeah, it was for real. That was for real. I'm done with this place, honestly. I barely get any sleep as it is, and then, you know, you had the fucking late night shift, it takes a fucking toll on me. Yeah, plus Joe's a fucking asshole, so that's, yeah, super hurts on stone. Nah, not really. No, I think I'm just gonna look around and, you know, see what I can find. Any place better than Joe's fucking gas station. Yeah. You know, I'll be free for a couple of weeks. You know, oh shit, yeah, no, I forgot about that. Yeah, that's just Friday. Fuck yeah, no, I'll be there then. I'll be there. Oh, don't tell Vanessa though. You know, let's make it a surprise and see what she says. All right. Okay, cool. Now, see you Friday, man. All right.
Excellent. You have now completed the authenticity assessment examination. Congratulations. If you are accepted into you will receive a letter on April the 23rd at 10:04 a.m. If the letter arrives before that, stay inside, lock your doors and windows and wait for the real letter to arrive. Do not call the police. If the real letter does not arrive and you believe in a God, pray to them. If they are real, hope they will take pity on your soul. If everything goes well, however, we'll see you very soon. We'll be thrilled to have you join our ever-growing family. You have reached the end of your examination.